Hello guys, and welcome back to this quick tutorial which I'm gonna show you how to create a Skrill account. Skrill is an electronic money system. The business was founded in 2001. It allows people to make simple, secure and quick money transfers and payments through the internet. From international money transfers to shopping, gaming, trading and betting. It is best and secure way to pay for items on Backcity's store, for example, which is a reliable reseller of vouchers, prepaid gift cards and gaming cards. Opening a Skrill account is free. All you need to create an account is a working phone number and an email address. You will need to pass the verification process and make a deposit with the amount of $5 as you are an ordinary user. If you are registering through Backcity, you shouldn't make a deposit for verification and then your account will be up and running. To ensure the link works correctly, turn off any VPN or private mode on your browser and also clear your cookies cache before clicking on the link. To create a new Skrill account, go to Skrill.com. During registration, you'll be asked to fill in your personal information on the first form. We suggest you insert all your real data, that is your documents. Notice that you will be asked to confirm your address with the exact from your bank account or your paid utility bill where it is stated your address. Enter your first name and the name you choose to identify with by law. Enter your last name, your family name, as stated in the documents. Select your country and then select the currency in which you'd like to send and receive money on Skrill. Please enter your correct email address and make sure it is a working email address, as you'll have to confirm it's yours. We suggest using the email that you rarely utilize because it's safer. Set a password. It must be at least 8 characters long and contain at least one letter and one number or symbol. Read Skrill's account terms of use and the Skrill privacy policy before clicking register. After clicking register, you'll be asked to fill in some information such as a demand, regulations Skrill ask them, boxes ticked with an asterisk and mandatory, so you have to complete them. Use your real address, as you'll need to have to confirm it during Skrill account verification. The second address box is for those who have a second address. Enter the city and fill in your postal code and your date of birthday, month and year. Lastly, enter your phone number with your country's code on the left-hand side, then click Next. After that, you'll be asked to secure your account by entering your current phone number to receive an SMS. For verification purposes, don't forget to set your country's code and then click Continue. A 6-digit code will be sent to your phone number. After you input it, click Continue and your Skrill account is all set. Why you should register on Skrill? Through the link in the description, well, because you will enjoy more benefits, like you shouldn't have to make a deposit of €5 or dollars for your sign up for going through the process of verification. And that's it guys, your Skrill account is ready to be used. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.